Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Underbelly Specialist. So this is a unit that's actually in transit that's still fairly new. I'm not sure if it's out of factory warranty or not yet, but we do Alliance warranty. So this customer is just passing through, going through California into Oregon where they live, and I guess they went on a big long trip. Prior to them going on a trip, they had some kind of issue with one of their holding tanks, and they took it to their repair shop, and the repair shop, I guess, cut the whole underbelly underneath in one area. During their trip, Terry was just telling me they just had one strip of Darko tape on it, and that Darko tape failed. It caught wind and yanked out the underbelly material pretty significant. So he actually is underneath here, and as you can see, leftovers for him retaping it all up. He was telling me that he ended up having to cut a piece of 1x and screw it all up in here, and then he's also while he was in there, he also resecured a bunch of wiring that was floating around, and then he's using a piece of molding, and he's securing the molding. So you were saying, Terry, about...
You can probably see it right here.
Oh yeah, I see it. So you use the molding to go ahead and secure it up there a little bit tighter?
Yeah, sandwich the underbelly in between the frame and the molding, because everywhere they had a screw, you can see down here,
yeah,
it just all got tore out.
Oh, okay.
So I'm to right here right now.
Oh, so you're still going further back?
Oh yeah,
now.
I still got to go back to where his tanks are back there.
Oh, okay, so the wind got in there and it pulled it down pretty good then.
Oh, it pulled everything.
Yep.
So
you said you put a 1x in here, and then you did a couple rows of patch tape. I can see it looks like you did 2 or 3 rows maybe?
Yeah, 3 rows. And then a 1x with the underbelly screwed to each side.
Okay.
Because whoever did it before, it just all collapsed. Or
yeah, it came loose. Yeah. Well, if they didn't put any backing in it and it just was tape, then it's gonna do that, or the tape's eventually gonna let loose.
Yeah, the main support's at 1x going across.
Yeah. So all right, well, everybody, this is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist, and again, this is on a Grand Design, or excuse me, I'm so used to saying Grand Design. This is on an Alliance, and so we're getting this all secured for him so he can get back in.
Get back on the road.
Get back on the road.
Cross country.
Yep. All right. Well, stay tuned for more, and have a great day. Dustin and Terry, RV specialist.